Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a trailing stop on Tradovate. So first of all, come here on tradovate.com, then log in into your account. Now over here, you just have to simply open that particular chart of the future contracts that you want to trade. So after selecting it, you just have to simply look for this particular option that says ATM. So over here, simply click on the gear icon right next to it. Now by default it will be off, so you need to select the option of on, then click on this plus icon, and over here you can give it a name. For example, let's say I'm going to give it a name as trailing stop. So after selecting it, simply hit OK. Now over here you just have to simply select that particular option, or whether you want to basically set the trailing stop based on the ticks, the pricing and the value. So let's say I want to do it with ticks only, so I'm not going to change anything. Now over here you need to simply click on this drop down menu, then among the given options you just have to simply select the option of SL only. Now after doing this, in the stop loss you just have to simply enter the trailing distance that you want. So for example, you could use a 20 to 30 tick trailing stop. For example, let's say I'm going to set it as 30. Now once you are done with it, simply click on the option of save. Now as you can see, your trailing stop is now ready. Now it is basically going to look here on the chart. So as you can see, this is the trailing stop that you have basically set. So that's how you can basically do it. So once your entry got filled, the trailing stop becomes active and it will automatically follows the market when it moves to in your favor. So Tradovate also supports other automated trailing options such as auto trail and the auto break even if you want to use them. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.